The 2K devs letting us know what the best builds are gonna be. If you wanna be able to posterize, if you wanna be dunking on people. You see the Flying Dragon posterizing, alley-ooping, dunking on everybody in the prelude. If you wanna be like that, you need to follow this guide right here, this chart. Pick one of these archetypes and make sure that your height is within their parameters. So basically for contact dunks, you're not allowed to have a 3-point shooting archetype as your first build, your primary build. It has to be the second if you want to be able to throw down like crazy. And then also it depends on your height too, because you're going to have to be a point guard if you pick 3-point shooting and you're going to be able to dunk like that. And also notice that the defending archetypes don't prevent you from getting some of the best packages. You could even have defending as your primary and you're still going to be able to posterize, which is interesting. You're going to have to be a point guard though, as you're seeing on some of these lists, but if you make it your secondary, then you can be whatever height you want to be, which is great news. So now the devs are also letting us know what archetypes you need to have the best dribbles in the game. 86 overall gives you access to a lot of moves, but 90 overall ball handling, you're going to get the top tier crossovers. You're going to be able to really snap some ankles. Now for all of these dribbling builds, notice that your wingspan is very important. If you raise the wingspan above the default rating for the height of your player, it's possible that you will not be able to achieve these rankings of 86 ball handling or 90. So you're going to want to either be default or go lower. Do not go higher. One turnover and you lose the meter. Ooh. Wow, I blocked the dunk and it still went in. That is embarrassing. See, look, I'm pretty sure he has more than 20 points right now. Let's take another look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, I didn't block it. He threw it to himself.